For this recipe, I'm gonna show you how convenient and flexible the Oster Flex air fryer oven is. I've obviously made some, wings already here for you to show. So we're using this tray, and you get those beautiful brown, delicious, and amazing wings, which we're gonna serve in a minute. But at the same time, I've used 2 trays here, and I'm gonna show you some of the other options that you also have. With this air fryer, you have some storing space in the bottom where you can put your trays away, so you're also saving space. Yes, you can also grill. So when I talk about flexibility, I really mean flexibility. You see this little part over here? You can take it off, and you can put in a whole chicken, a whole cauliflower, anything that's, at a larger scale. There you go. Flexible, as convenient as it could possibly be.